Hey everybody, trying to make it down the stairs without killing us there. Woo-wee! Alright, the G-Ride is open. Open for business. Here's my bike. I love that bike. It's fast. It's crazy. Actually, first time I've ever crashed a bike was on that thing. High-sided, kaboom. Hurt like hell. What are we doing today? This fella goes home today. Family farm units. What else we got going on? My carb drawer. I'm gonna sort this out today. That is after I put down the phone. Anyways, good morning. I'm feeling pretty good. And tummy doesn't hurt today. It's amazing. It's amazing. Anyways, we should get this old Jeep going. This is the time for Jeeps right now. It's not a bad piece of work. I've been fixing it up for 3 or 4 years now. My $200 special. Oh boy. Anyhow, that's it for this quick vid. I'm gonna dig my truck out.